Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well. My name is Melissa. I am makeup artist. In case you are new here, welcome. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like this video if you did. So now let's begin this makeup tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this very glamorous but dramatic makeup look. I really love how this look turned out and I hope that you love it much as I do. So now let's begin. So let's get started this makeup tutorial. So for today's video, I already have my skin and my brows done, and I'm gonna link down below for you guys a tutorial of how I do my brows and also how I do my skin in case you're interested to see. So now let's move on to the eyes. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply my favorite eyeshadow base, Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Ignite. So I'm gonna spread it out all over the lid, and also, I'm gonna blend this product using the tip of my fingers. And now I'm gonna use a black gel liner to do my cat eye effect, and for this I'm gonna use this little tiny brush. Now I'm gonna use the shade Caramel by Mitchell's Cosmetics on top of the black eyeshadow base that I did before, and also I'm gonna work the shadow in circular motions to my crease and a little bit in the tear duct area. Now that I have done the brown in my eyes, I'm gonna apply this beautiful gold shade by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the shade Peach Sorbet. It's very glittery and I really like the color so much. Now I'm gonna apply the shade All That Glitters by MAC by the side of the gold shade that I applied before. On the tear duct area, I'm gonna apply this beautiful shade. This is also by MAC, and this is the shade Desert Light. I'm gonna apply just a little bit, like this side. And now I'm gonna apply gel liner in the tear duct area and also in the lower lash line using the same brush as before. So I just applied my fake lashes, and now to conclude this look, I'm gonna use this amazing liquid lipstick by Art Cosmetics, and this is the shade Honeymoon. So that's it for this video, my lovies. I really hope that you enjoy. I love how the look turned out. For me, it's very beautiful, glamorous, but still dramatic, and I really hope that you like it much as I do. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!